Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So after the NFP, we saw a big green candle on the chart of DXY. Result was better than expected, so DXY showed a green candle, but ultimately it failed to cross the previous support. We saw that previous support of 105.30 became the new resistance and DXY had to come down again. And ultimately DXY settled at 104.50. So overall, the selling pressure on DXY is still very much present and still things are not very positive for DXY. If we look at the daily chart of DXY, then we can see that DXY is right now trading far below from the 200 moving average. The next minor support may be around 103.70, but we don't have any strong immediate support on the chart of DXY right now. And we can also see that the present structure of DXY is also not very positive. DXY is constantly forming lower highs. So selling pressure is very much present on the chart of DXY. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter now, we can see that 69% retail traders have taken short position and 30%, only 30% are holding long position. It means they have taken buy position, and the average short price is 1.1894, and GBPUSD is right now trading at 1.2287. Okay, so this is the main reason why retail traders lose money in the market. So my dear friends, as we can clearly see that Forex sentiment meter, okay, retailers are holding sell position. So yes, there is a possibility that market will be going higher, going up, because we always see market moving against the sentiment meter. Okay, now let's head back towards chart and look at the trading opportunities for Monday. First of all, there is no doubt that GBP USD is bullish right now. So considering the present trend of the market, we should be looking for buy positions only. Taking a sell position in a bullish market is very risky. So if you're a beginner, new trader, and if you're in a very tight spot right now, we have very less capital, then please try to look for buy positions at support instead of taking a sell position at resistance. Okay, see, never forget that trend is very important. Trend is also considered as your best friend, our best friend. Trend is your friend. So my dear friends, so let the market open and see how the market reacts on Monday, how the market opens. If you see the market is flat, yes, usually on Monday we do not get to see much volatility. Market usually flat, market remains silent on Monday. After the market opening, if market comes down, listen to me carefully. If market comes down after the market opening, observe the market around this level, 1.2150, 1.2130. We are considering this level as support because of previous previous resistance, okay, as well as we saw market bouncing on Friday. So we are considering both the factors here, and it makes it a potential good support for Monday. So observe the market around 1.2150, 1.2130. If you see market bouncing from this level, you can consider taking a buy position. This is our first support, but keep in mind this is not a very strong support. This is a minor support. If the volatility of the market remains slow, if the volatility of the market remains low, so not slow, low, then you can definitely expect the market to bounce from here and you can consider taking a buy position. And as this is a trending market, listen to me carefully, as this is a trending market, so the dynamic support resistance play a big role here. So apart from this level, the next support will be around, not will be the 50 moving average. 50 moving average is playing the role of a dynamic support here. We can clearly see on the chart. So in case the blue box fails, then you can expect that market will bounce from the 50 moving average. And as this is a 50 moving average, this is a dynamic support. We do not have any exact figure, but still it would be around 1.2100. Okay, it would be around 1.2100 or 1.2080. Okay, Okay, so around this level, if you see market taking support at the 50 moving average and bouncing, you can go for a buy position. And lastly, we have the support around 1.2030. I don't think so market will be testing 1.2030 right after the market opening. So I think that this area, this zone is sufficient enough for GBP USD to provide support on Monday. So if market comes down on Monday, okay, you can consider taking buy position around these two levels. Okay, and if you see market going up, if you see market going up on Monday, then please be careful, because around 1.2380, 1.2400, we have a resistance, and the resistance is from the weekly chart. This is a GBP USD's weekly chart. If I remove the drawings, you can see that previously the 50 moving average here also, it has acted as dynamic resistance for the market. So there's a possibility that this time also, when market will hit the 50 moving average, it will face some selling pressure. So as a result, to be on a safer side, if you are holding any buy position on the chart of GBP USD right now, please be careful around this level. Okay, because there is a possibility that if not trend reversal, at least market may show some correction from this level. But again, I'll say on Monday, okay, if you see market reversing from this level, okay, if the price rejection from above, okay, if you see price rejection from above is very strong, then you can consider taking a sell position for 40, 40, 45, 50 pips. Otherwise, try to avoid. You should mostly observe market around this level, whether market breaks this level or whether market faces strong resistance and market reverses. So in this chart, if market goes up also, I will not recommend a very strong buy level, considering the upcoming resistance on the chart of GBP USD. But if you want to take risk, okay, if you want to take risk, that's your personal call. Okay, you can go for a buy position above this level. But listen, on Monday we do not get to see much volume in the market, volatility in the market, so it can lead to a false breakout as well. If you consider taking a buy position, it can lead to a false breakout as well. You may be trapped. So as a result, try to avoid taking any buy position at a breakout right after the market opening. So in simple words, okay, I'm repeating again, in simple words, observe the market after the market opening. If market comes down, okay, you can look for a buy position here. You can look for a buy position here around the 50 moving average. And if you're already holding a buy position, no need to exit beyond the trade as long as market is heading towards 1.2400. And if market goes up right after the market opening, if possible, try not to take any buy position, okay, because usually on Monday the liquidity is less, we do not see much volume, so it can be a risky buy position as well. And as we can see that we already have an immediate resistance, so please be careful. If you want to take a buy position with your own risk, at your own risk, and if you have considerable experience in the market, then that's your personal call. I will not comment on that. Yes, it can be quite risky because most of the viewers, okay, are beginners. That's why I need to be extra careful. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Thanks for watching my video. Please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. So please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always. Bye-bye. Take care.